Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Google Authenticator to Trading 212. Strengthening your account with two-factor authentication adds a powerful second lock to your login. So even if someone knows your password, they can't get in without a one-time code from your phone. Before we begin, make sure you can access your Trading 212 account in a browser or the app, and that Google Authenticator is installed on your phone. If it isn't, download it from your device's app store and keep your phone nearby. Start by going to app.trading212.com and sign in as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the top of the screen for the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the menu or hamburger icon. Click or tap that icon to open the main menu. From the menu, choose Settings. This area lets you control how your account behaves. Inside Settings, select Privacy and Security, where all safety-related controls are grouped. Next, find and open two-factor authentication. This is where you turn on an extra verification step for logins and sensitive actions. When the options appear, select the Google Authenticator method. This option uses time-based codes that refresh every 30 seconds and are generated on your device, not sent over text, which makes them more reliable and secure. Keep in mind, never share these codes with anyone and avoid storing screenshots of them. After choosing Google Authenticator, follow the on-screen procedure. Trading 212 will display a QR code and may also provide a setup key. On your phone, open Google Authenticator, tap the plus sign to add a new account, and choose Scan a QR code. Point your camera at the code on your screen. If scanning isn't possible, choose Enter a setup key and type it exactly as is shown. The account will appear with a 6-digit code that changes frequently. Return to Trading 212, enter the current code, and confirm to complete the connection. If you are shown backup or recovery codes during setup, store them in a safe place you can access even if you lose your phone. That's it. Two-factor authentication with Google Authenticator is now active. The next time you sign in or perform sensitive actions, you'll be asked for a fresh code from the app. If a code is rejected, wait for the next one to roll over, ensure your phone's time is set automatically, and try again. Thanks for following along, and enjoy the added peace of mind that comes with a more secure Trading 212 account.